it is a question that I
Potentially
have to
even
answer
3
here,
pawns,
being
right?
white.
So it's very difficult, yeah. And you have to evaluate it all before. But c3 is played, Oscar. So now knight c2, and also there was the question, can knight jump somewhere else than a3 and e3? And I guess actually it is possible, maybe even knight e1 and knight e4 perhaps as well, if black would like to just win the bishop. I don't know if we want this bishop very much, but I guess it's also a possibility. So knight a3 is just to force, but you're absolutely right that it's possible to go somewhere else with the knight, just not to e3 because bishop can take. So this is the current position. Black is still thinking. Yeah, let me refresh just to make sure. What a fun variation. What a fun variation. Knight c2, g4, knight takes, queen a5 is the only move. Unless, Oscar, we go immediately queen to b6. Will it change something? Not sure. Just the idea. But then, yeah, because b pawn can't really move, right? So queen b6 immediately. We were discussing queen a5 for putting pressure on the a2 pawn. And, those are also all the variations when which players need to calculate. It's so difficult. Now note the difference. What is the big discrepancy between those two variations? And we are moving the pieces here. It's much easier. We don't have any pressure, and we are still not certain.
All right, Anna, it is 3 p.m. and in 15 minutes we're going to be joined by the organizer himself, Matteo Zoldan. We will go on a short technical break. I will set everything for Matteo, and for in the next hour, there's going to be Matteo. And Matteo, you can ask him some organizational things if you would be curious. If you're curious to know how to organize such a big event, what it takes to coordinate so many people, maybe some interesting facts about the players, the place, and so on. If you have no questions, Matteo and Anna will check other sections. We still haven't looked at 3 of those sections, so Matteo, who is also a player himself with Anna, will analyze those positions. And after Matteo finishes, I will be back with you for the middle game of this round. All right.
Exactly. So thank you, Oscar. We'll see everyone after the break with a special guest organizer of the tournament around in around 10-15 minutes. So see you soon, everyone.